Yes, we'll be looking at by keys. We'll be looking at how to learn Solidity for beginners. So live on CoinMarketCap, how to guide blogs, Alexandria article by Leo Jacobson. So you want to click on the big red subscribe button beneath this video. Just click on it so you'll get subscribed to our YouTube channel, and also you can turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever we drop updates. You can also give this video a thumbs up, and that's it, guys. So heading back to news, it says a table of contents, what Solidity, pros, lots of them, and further lessons, guys. So we're picking out the major tips here. It says Solidity is the programming language that allowed Ethereum to expand blockchain technology beyond BTC style peer-to-peer cryptocurrencies to become what one of its creators calls one computer for the entire planet. It was proposed in 2014 by Dr. Gavin Wood, who worked with Vitalik Buterin to develop Ethereum. The Solidity is the language of the self-executing smart contract at the heart of number two blockchain. The seen as decentralized dApps are essentially very complex smart contracts. Solidity is the language that everything from decentralized finance platforms to crypto games and supply chain management tools are built upon. So basically anything that runs in the Ethereum virtual chain, the isolated computational engine of Ethereum in which all smart contracts are created, run and executed, can be and largely is built using Solidity. Pros of Solidity. Solidity has a number of strengths that helped build Ethereum into a juggernaut. For one thing, it was designed to be fairly simple to use by anyone with a basic knowledge of programming languages such as JavaScript, C++. Say for another, its smart contracts are built on the blockchain, so they cannot be altered, deleted. That means that Ethereum is a very secure way to do what it was designed to do: transfer anything of value using either the native Ether tokens or the compatible but white labeled ERC tokens to pay for those transactions. The limitations we have is that last one is a double-edged sword. However, it means that any Solidity smart contract must be flawlessly written. As a crypto design expert like to say, code is law, so mistakes cannot be fixed, transactions cannot be reversed, and exploits can only be fixed by updating the Ethereum code, which requires participation of individual nodes that is not always forthcoming, at least not swiftly. There was a problem with the 2016 DAO Act that drained $60 million in 2016 using an EVM vulnerability called reentrancy, one of a number of known exploits, just as it was a problem with August 27, 2021 Act that caused a fork in the Ethereum blockchain. In both cases, the exploit was known and a fix had been released when it was expected. So in July, the largest US cryptocurrency exchange, Coinbase, released a tool called Solidify, which is used to detect and classify smart contracts and risk and automated audits, as the tool's name suggests. So those are some things you want to know. So how much time it takes to learn Solidity? The Solidity is what is called a high-level object-oriented programming language developed for and primarily used for the Ethereum blockchain. So OOPS allow developers to build programs using pre-built snippets of code. So Solidity was designed to be particularly user-friendly to anyone with a basic familiarity with other more mainstream Java coding languages and more. So this means that people with experience in the general programming concepts and aforementioned coding languages will take a shorter time to learn Solidity. Looking at how much Solidity developers make, say according to cryptocurrencyjobs.co, the average base salary for a Solidity developer ranges from $125,000 to $145,000, given the explosive growth of crypto sector as a whole and demand for crypto jobs listing. You can expect Solidity developers to be increasingly sought after. A convinced years with these dive into crypto zombies. So how to learn Solidity for beginners with crypto zombies. So you can learn to code blockchain dApps by building simple games on crypto zombies. So one of the best ways to learn Solidity is with Crypto Bundies, a free interactive coding school used by more than 400,000 students to learn how to build blockchain dApps by creating a simple video game. There are two curriculums: basic to intermediate smart contract design and advanced Solidity, which covers testing and deploying dApps like your zombie game and building oracles that bring trusted outside data that smart contracts can rely on to determine when to execute. So the basic lesson is creating your crypto zombies. The basic lesson plans with building your zombie factory, creating a database of individual zombies on the blockchain, a method of creating new ones, and a numerical DNA function that controls each zombie's appearance and that of other creatures they infect. That is to say, making the characters. There are 6 lessons, each with 11 to 15 steps covering different Solidity design concepts. These have both a very clear, simply written explanation of what you are doing and why you are doing it, and coding feeds that lead you through creating code to build the smart contracts down. For example, this involves creating structs, giving the zombie a name and DNA string, making the database of zombies public, and making use of DNA information. Advanced Solidity concept on crypto zombies. The second curriculum set covers creating a way for zombies to multiply by feeding on and infecting other life forms. So adding and defining the game dynamics, zombie snacks can be humans built in the game, but the lesson plan creates a way to infect CryptoKitties well using their DNA function or information to create new zombies without actually damaging the pricey NFT avatars, which boils down to learning how to make your smart contract interact with an outside contract. The more lessons come after that, covering issues ranging from making crypto zombies unable, paying the Ethereum gas transaction fees, and keeping the zombies secure. There's also the advanced lessons, which is creating NFTs of zombies. And further lessons you have after that beyond the Ethereum curriculum cover non-Ethereum blockchains, including DM, formerly Libra, stablecoin Ethereum-based Binance Smart Chain, and using zero knowledge proofs, Sync, providing security for token transfers, among other things. So guys, and then you have a zombie game that helped you learn a build to build blockchain dApps and smart contracts, a good thing at a time when many blockchain companies are stymied by a massive supply shortage of developers who understand blockchain. So guys, peace out. Did you buy keys? Don't forget to click on the subscribe button. We hope this article helps. Or I'll be dropping a link so you can check more on this article as well as other packs on CoinMarketCap. If you buy keys, stay tuned for more. Peace out.